mo.
Kasama na? Built-in talaga?
It should be there.
Okay. Here.
That's why it's there. This one. Put it on the back.
There.
Oh. Ah! Oh, it. Ah!
Where you gonna swim?
No, I just want to show it to you. Help me, Daddy. Help me.
Samantalang kanina, sinuot niya na yan.
Siya mag-isa.
Oo, yan. Habang nag-browse ka, tapos tinanggal niya na ulit.
So, papansin ka. Ni Daddy. Where you gonna wear that?
For the...
In Panglao.
No, on the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach in Panglao, Bohol.
Not Banglaw.
It's a beautiful white sand beach.
Where is it?
I forgot.
In Cebu?
It's Cebu.
Yes.
No, not that one. I only want on the on with the almond and
Lola Armand?
yellow almond and his friends. His oh no, I forgot.
His son and daughter.
His son.
Are you done na?
Daddy. Mama.
Yes.
Nilutang kaya siya dyan?
You'll see.
No.
Can I see? I'm recording you. Go there. Are you finished na?
Not yet.
Okay, go there na. Go back there na. What else do you want to see, Daddy? Do you want to show Daddy?
There's more pa. There's more pa, Daddy.
What's that pa?
kasi hindi mo tinanggal yung panloob. Kaya ganun siya.
Mama, put that one on my hair.
Yung sabi na, diba?
Daddy, help.
Oh, watch your step,
Watch your
anak.
step,
Ano?
oh.
You almost step on your sunglasses.
Oh, here.
Si Tona.
Nakita ba ito? Nakita ba?
Ay,
Ito, malimok na ito.
kaya nga shower cap na. Kailangan tago yung buhok. Alala mo yung mga swimmer?
Hmm. Ayan, mga sa Lululululu. For sure, ano? Lululululu. Okay. Speakers.
Okay. Daddy.
Can you come here? Can you come near? Oh, where, later na wear that one. No, come on.
Si Tona, sorry, daddy ka na shirt.
Oh, my hand is stuck.
Silly dad.
Cover my ears. So the water will not come. Ah!
Oh, what? Hurt? Oh, what?
Ah!
What's that?
Hurt.
Cover your ears pa?
Opo.
Oh. How can you wear your, ano?
What?
That one. You look like a fish. Go, look at yourself. Watch yourself. Go. You want to swim na ba? Idalawayan mo na hanggang tuhod lang.
Tcharan! Show it to daddy.
Daddy, look.
Wow, pretty. What else? Do you have anything else to show me?
Opo. There's inside there. Inside their paw. Ah. There's more.
Put aside your glasses na. Ayun. Don't stop
Look.
it like that.
No. No.
Oh, sorry.
It will get scratched, diba?
Luwa tayo. Luwa pa? Luwa pa?
How's the color?
Good.
I was asking daddy, how's the color?
I love it because we allow it.
What? Purple's for girls. Blue is for boys. Diba?
Hindi mo na naman nakita yung
Black.
reaction ng one.
Black. I mean black.
What else are you gonna show me?
I mean black. Wait, I touch it down cleaning my glasses.
Ayun, sinabi ko sa'yo.
There we
Huh?
go.
Ano yung bilhin mo, ano? 4 piso lang. Paano magkatupad mo? What else are you gonna show me?
Coming right up. I'm gonna do it now. Just wait. Goggles.
Are you gonna dive?
No. Not that one. It's for my dog. I'm not gonna dive inside. Oh. Am I gonna remove?
Yes, but later
Not
na.
yet na. If you're gonna use it na,
If you're gonna use that, you will remove that. Not
Okay.
for now na.
but for now, so that it will not have ano, scratches. Okay?
Go na. You ask Daddy how to put it there. It's protecting your goggles. That's why it's in there pa.
No worry, I can share it with mine.
You show it to Daddy na. You ask Daddy na to help. You ask Daddy help na. So Daddy can put it on you.
Daddy, help me. No! Don't say it. Don't say it. What did you say again?
Adjust.
Daddy! Daddy, I told you to adjust it.
Adjust it first.
Adjust it first because it's so secret.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to?
I'm not sure kung ganun yun. Yung parang sa mask, di ba dalawa? Eh, naka-fold. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, i-adjust mo lang kapag masikip. Masikip pa. Para lumuwag.
Shoe!
Daddy. Put it down first.
Ang cute mo na.
Maybe let's start here. What?
So silly,
You
the
know
two
to
of
wear it.
you.
Over there.
What's that for, anak?
It's for my eyes, so no salty water will not go on my eyes.
You're so far, guys. Oh, hey. You're a pilot na. Come here.
No, I don't want to. I want to be a unicorn.
Unicorn?
I want to be a fish. Ah,
Oh, moving na. Sit. Oh,
Is it better?
sit. What?
now.
It's not sikip?
Ouch. It's sikip? Oh, there. It's luwag na.
There. Daddy will adjust it.
There. It's luwag na. There, oh. Oh. That's luwag na. Okay? Ay.
Daddy
Sure.
kiss the fish.
Kiss the fish. Ma-remove na. Remove na.
What about you?